Hello students, welcome to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakraborty and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In the introductory part of this particular presentation, I shall provide you an idea about entrepreneurship and innovation. Actually, these two terms are interrelated to one another because innovation is defined as the process of doing new things. Therefore, it is often the active translation of a creative idea into a new product, service, or technology. Innovation is different from invention. We should not confuse these two terms. Invention is the verified result of creative idea. Innovation is the conversion of something new into useful goods and services. In the upcoming presentations, you will be able to understand in detail about the interrelation between entrepreneurship and innovation. Entrepreneurs may also be innovators, and in what way they can be termed as innovators, we will be observing in the upcoming presentations in detail. Thank you very much.